California. Thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the absolute beginner line dance, Honky Tonk BadonkadonkEZ. The music is by Trace Adkins and the song, it has the same title. The choreography is by Cathy, Garland. This is a 32 count, 4-wall dance, no tags, no restarts. Has a very long intro though, it has 48 counts intro. So let's get on with it. Remember to always press that little cog at the bottom of the screen. If you want to go slower, there'll be a speed control in there. All right, thank you. Let's turn around and start. We start with a step together step 4 times. We go step together step, step together step, step together step, step together step. With counts, we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, those are your first 8 counts. Let's do the next 8 counts. You're going to take 2 steps back, right, left, a jump out, right, left, a clap, a double hip to the right, a double hip to the left. So again, that is step back, and jump and clap, double to the right and double to the left. Counts on that, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, shall we add it on to the top? Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle step, or step together step, step together step. Take it back, back, open, and clap, a double hip, and a double hip. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, next set of 8, we have 2 grapevines. One right with a scuff at the end of it, one left with a quarter turn at the end of it with a scuff. And we are, after we've done this, 3/4 of the way through the dance. So for those of you who don't know how to do a grapevine, we take the right foot, we've just done double, double, so the right leg is free, we take it to the side, we take the left behind, we take the right side, and then we scuff the left forward. Now to the left, the grapevine goes step side, step behind, do a quarter turn, step forward with the left, and a scuff. So those counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All righty. We just do that again. Same the steps we have. Side, behind, side, scuff. Side, behind, side, scuff. And those are 2 grapevines. So now we're facing 9 o'clock. From the top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Go back, back, open, and clap. Double hip and a double hip. Grapevine to the right with a scuff. Grapevine to the left with a scuff. All right, one more time from the beginning with counts. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Back 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Grapevine 1, 2, 3 with a scuff. 5, 6, 7, 8 with that quarter turn. Good, all right, so we are 3/4 of the way through now. Now we're going to do what we call a letter K. And we do the arms, we take the feet in the shape, the steps in the shape of the letter K arms. I think I'll do it at the back just to show it you first. You step forward with the right and tap. You step back with the left and tap. You step back with the right and tap. You take forward and tap. So all those steps go on the right to the diagonal and to the left on the diagonal. We go right, right diagonal, back, left, left diagonal, back, right, right diagonal, forward, left on the diagonal. But we're actually going to do it here. So we've just done our stuff. We have up and back and forward. With the counts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of your dance, and you start your shuffle steps again. Let's go from the top. Ready? 5, 6, shuffles. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Back. 1, 2, open and clap. Double hip and a double grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up and back and forward. Again, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Back, back, open, clap. Double hip, a grapevine to the right with a scuff. A grapevine to the left, quarter turn, step and clap, diagonal for the letter K. Third wall, shuffle step, shuffle back. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. A grapevine 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop, and back and forward. And shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Back, back, open, clap, double hip, grapevine to the right, grapevine a quarter turn, letter K up, and back, and forward. So there we go, I just did all 4 walls. Just remember, you can slow the video down, you can pause it at any time and pick it back up to learn it. So I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. My name is Anne Leslie. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I will now go and do a different video because we need the demo with music. So that'll be on a different demo, so look for it. All right, bye-bye for now. Honky Tonk BadonkaDonk. Take care.